Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use NMAP in order to scan for the networks and even the websites and find out the vulnerabilities that are present in the network or in the system. So today we are going to learn more about NMAP and also how to use it in order to get the vulnerabilities in the system. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, NMAP was designed to find out the vulnerabilities that are in the network so that we can change it. Basically, NMAP is a tool that is used to find out the vulnerabilities in the websites, and not only the websites but also in the networks. So let's see how we can find out the vulnerabilities and other information from the network. So before that, let's run the NMAP and see what are the features the NMAP gives us in order to scan. So basically, to scan and to learn, there is an option of the scanme.nmap.org which can be used by anyone, and if you are using on any website or any IP address or network without their permission, then you may land in severe problems. So for practicing, scanme.nmap.org can be used, which belongs to the NMAP as well, so which was created for the practice of NMAP. So you can see that NMAP provides more functionality like the scripts, the port, the type of scan, and even you can see the firewall type that has been used in the network, and this can be used even by black hat hackers and even white hat hackers. So white hat hackers are the people who protect the data, that is, they are the ethical hackers, and the black hat hackers are those who make use of data for illegal activities. So now let's see how we can use this. So the basic thing you need to scan, or the command to scan, is the NMAP, and you can just pass the target IP address, host name, or anything. So here I am going to pass scanme.nmap.org. So let's see what this gives. So you can see that NMAP has started, and let's wait till we get the entire result. So you can see that the NMAP has finished. So it's the minimal, what you can see is our minimal output, and you can see that there are many ports which are open filtered. So if the ports are open, so you can get into the network using the open ports. So, and also the type of service that is used by the port 22 is SSH, and 25 port 25 is filtered, and it is using SMTP. You can even see a HTTP port is open in the host scanme.nmap.org. So even if you want to get more information, then you can just add a command nmap a, and you can just pass this command. So that A gives all the details about the type of OS that is used by the system, the version of the OS, script scanning, and the trace route, that how we reach from our network to their network. So let's see what all information does this give. So here I am running the NMAP scan once again. So let's wait till the NMAP scan gets completed. So you can see that the NMAP scanning has been completed, and you can even see a new thing, that is a trace route. That is how the server gets from our IP address to the host IP address, that is the nmap.org, and you can see that these IP addresses sometimes belong to different country as well. So this is how we reach from our network to the scanme.nmap.org network. So here you can see the different types of OSs that might be used. That is a Linux with the version 2.6.32. That is the percentage of how aggressive or the guesses, or what might be the percentage of the guess to be correct. And you can even see the different types of port, and you can see the SSH hotkey in order to get into that port, and even you can do many things using this NMAP. So the present version of my NMAP is 7.80, so it is the latest version. So in this version you can even find out the vulnerabilities that are present in the system, so or in the network. So now we can see that it's only giving you the trace route, it gives you the different types of OS, and even if you want a more detailed output, then you can just add VV, that is the verbose output. So if you want more detailed output, then you can increase this like this. So let me add 2 verbose output, and let's run it once again. So you're going to get a few more additional details about the nmap.scanme.nmap.org, and you can see it's giving more details than the previous what you have performed the scan. So let's wait till this completely gets over. So now you can see that the NMAP scanning has been completed, and you can see more information than before as compared before. So you can see the different types of port, SSH hotkey, and more details about it. And even you can use this to find the vulnerabilities. So if you need to find the vulnerabilities, you can just run the script as NMAP, and you just pass as the normal whatever you want to pass, VV, and along with this you are going to pass the script and vulnerability along with the scanme.nmap.org, that is the network IP address or host name. So just run this. So you're going to get you're also going to get the different types of vulnerabilities that are present in this system and in this network, and even you can find out, or you can exploit the vulnerability using this NMAP script. So I'm not going to show you how to exploit the vulnerability, but in this I'm going to show you how you can find out the different vulnerabilities, and even you can check for the different vulnerabilities like the DOS, that is the denial of service attack. You can even check whether the network is vulnerable to the brute force attack, that is trying out the different passwords. So you can try it out, but before trying it on network, please get all the required permissions before doing any action on any network. So let's wait till this gets over. So basically, whenever you do, it's preferable to, when you're doing a real life scan in your for any institution or any offices, or you need to use proxy chains, which is a better thing, so that you will remain anonymous in the system. So it is better if you use proxy chain. Perhaps I'm not using right now because I'm showing you how to use NMAP. So if I use proxy chains right now, so the timing may differ and it may take some more time. So I'll be going through how to use proxy chains in NMAP with the another video. I'm going to do a separate video for that as well. So if you're interested in these types of videos, then do subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell button to receive the notifications of all the new videos from this channel. And let's wait till this gets over. So let's run NMAP once again because it's taking a longer time. So let me reduce the verbose level. So I'm going to use NMAP PN, and with the script vulnerability and scanme.nmap.org, and let's run the script once again. So let's wait till the entire script gets run and the scan gets completed. You can see the NMAP has completed, and if you go a little up, and you can see the details of the different types of if any is present, if any vulnerability is present. So let's see if any vulnerability is present over here. So I think the script execution failed due to some problems, but you can get the different types of any vulnerability that is present in the network. So this is all in the video, and I'll be doing a separate video on how to use the NMAP using proxy chains in upcoming videos. So do subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell button, and don't forget to like this video as well. So till then, goodbye, and I'll meet you in the next video.